This is me, Narmada. I am a parent of Raja Amrut. He is studying pre-primary in Orchid International School. It is a great game for pre-primary students. The material used are like thin cardboard sheets, A4 sheet, and crayons, sketch pens, scissors. So this is my model. And we have to make one strip like this. I'll just show you in backside. I'm going to insert this. This is the game for pre-primary kids for understanding after number, before number, in between numbers. So kids will be finding difficulties in identifying what will come after, what will come before. So for those kids, this will be like a little bit easy for them to identify what will come for after number and before number. So I'll just show you how to play this game. So this is like a car. So all the kids are like interested in cars, all those things. So this is like a number which you are going to give for the kid. So if the number is 2, what will come for, if you are playing, if you are asking the after number, so the kid have to move the car in the front. So the number is 3. Without moving the car also, he can identify, like if the number is 3, the front side always, what we'll do forward counting. The forward front number is after number, and the back number is before number. If the even he will be able to understand, if we want to identify the after number, the forward direction, the car have to move in the forward direction. If we want to if he want to identify the backward, before number, the car have to move in backward direction. So he can identify easily, instead of saying do the backward counting or forward counting. He can identify, okay, if the car is moving forward, he can identify after number. If the car is moving backward, he can identify it is a before number. And in betweens also he can identify, like if what will come in between 2 and 4, the answer will be 3. You can cross check the kids by closing this thing. What will be the after number, you can ask him. For example, what is the after number of 5? If we are asking the kid, he can identify, okay, after number means front side. So if the car is moving front side, what will be the number? He can identify. If he is not able to answer, he can open and see what is the number. The same will be applicable for before number also. The 4 is the answer for before number. Thank you.